Hi guys, happy Wednesday. It is 7:04 p.m. I thought I'd make a quick video real quick. Let you guys know that I do notice that I'm starting to see lint in my locks. My lower level base locks. Like like the ones that's like around my nape. I'm starting to wear my hair down more because they're heavy and it's like a relief when I wear them down. This is how long they are right now. And I'm starting to see lint. So I'm like, okay, this is not good. It's not good. It's not that bad, but that's not good. So, I know some people color their hair when they do see a lot of lint. I don't know if I'll ever really do that or not, but I see why people just leave the lint alone. They just say, after a certain point, you just say, forget it. It's just too much hair. I don't want to be looking real linty, but I'm starting to see it. How can we prevent lint? It's not really something that's easy to do once they reach a certain length, once they're locked. So I keep my hair covered a lot, but not like I used to. And to have it up all the time, it just feels like there's a baby brick on my head. So right now they're dry. I have not put any product in my hair in a couple of weeks. It is time for a shampoo. But I love them so much. I don't want no lint to get in them though. But it's starting to do that anyway. Like this one. Here's a real good example, guys. This guy, he's kind of flat too. So when I wash my hair, shampoo my hair, the ones at the bottom of my neck, they get dry last. But this is how far it comes. While my hair is dry, of course, when it's wet, it's a little longer. But can I ever really picture myself having color in my hair? I haven't had color in my hair I haven't dyed it since 2011. And here it is, 2025. Now I've added color like temporary colors, like spray or a rinse, but never a color. They do have a shampoo color out, so I don't know who I saw had that, but it's a girl on YouTube. She shampoos her color in. That might be easy for me to do. I don't know, because I shampoo my hair in the shower. I don't shampoo my hair in the sink. I can't. My neck ain't strong enough. When these things get wet, guys, it's like, holy smokes, heavy. But me and that boy, we out here chilling. Nico, hey, boy, I'm gonna put these fall flowers out on the front of my house in the next week or so. Can you believe it's fall? Summer's not officially over, but today is the 10th. No, is it the 10th? Yeah, September 10th, 2025. And it just seemed like summer just started. It seemed like the summer months are so short compared to our cold months here in St. Louis, Missouri. Now, I will say this. I am appreciating that we got a little break because it was so hot all these months. We got a little break, but the heat's coming back like tomorrow, I think. So for the last week and a half or so, I have not been having my air on, and I am so happy about that. But yeah, I am ready to do some things. Guys, I want to tell you one more thing. So I know I told you guys I was going to start posting like every day. I've been saying that for months. I'm going to post every day. I'm still going to do that. I'm finally getting closer to it. I'm like, why do you keep telling them that? You keep giving them broken promises. You don't even follow through what you say you're going to do. Because I be having some really good intentions. You know, we be having some really good intentions. Don't play with me, okay? But I feel like I'm getting closer and closer, ready to situate my life. So today I printed out all my titles that I have for my videos. So most of the titles I have now is mainly about hair, but I do have other off-topic titles too. So I'm excited. I'm excited to get back into my YouTube game like I used to. I do have a new system that's coming. I'm gonna start posting shorter videos like I used to, and long videos. Not like the shorts. The shorts are too short. But like, I remember back in the day, we can post a 2 or 3 minute video and it was cool. So if I want to post a 2 or 3 minute video, I will do that. If I want to post an 8 minute video, I'll do that. But I am going to probably start posting my long form videos on Sundays like I used to. So back in the day, I used to post on Sundays, faithfully, every Sunday. Yeah, and then every once in a while during the week, like maybe on a Wednesday or a Tuesday. So my long form videos will be back on Sundays, like maybe 20 minutes or so. Or if I don't post a lot of short form videos during the week, I'll just make my long form video a little bit longer, maybe 30 minutes. Because I asked you guys a long time ago, how long can you sit and watch a video? 30 minutes, 45 minutes to an hour. You guys said 30 minutes. That's the most. But that was back in the day. See, 10 years ago, YouTube was not like this. No. So people are watching longer form videos. But I want to do a little bit of my old school short videos, because this helped me balance out the burnout. And sometimes I might not even want to talk that long. Like this video, I don't want to talk that long. So that'll keep me having a good balance of a little bit long, a little bit short. And I've actually been doing that for these this year and last year too. Alright? So alright guys, I'm not gonna hold you any longer. How many minutes have I been on here? I've been on here 6 minutes and 51 minutes. 56 minutes and 54 seconds. I don't know why I'm saying that. Oh, I want to tell you this too, guys. So I've been exercising, not like I'm supposed to. I'm slowly getting into it, but I exercised Saturday, and I exercised last Saturday, and me and that boy, we ran around in my yard yesterday. We played with the hula hoop, because he think he's supposed to play with my hula hoop too. No, go get your own hula hoop. So I'll probably go exercise tomorrow at the gym, because I'm ready to get back into my life. I feel good, guys. I hope you guys feel good too. You can tell that the sun is slowly going down. We are losing minutes of sunlight every day. I ain't liking that. My cousin really hates it. She does not like it when it gets dark. Can you believe it? We only got October, November, December. 3 more months in this year. And then we will be into a new year. We're going to be in the dark soon too. It's 7:12 now. Eventually, I won't be able to sit out here and talk to you guys at 7:12. So, I hope you enjoyed this short video. I'll probably see you soon, like I keep saying. Guys, I'm so excited. I printed out all my titles. I printed them out. I will show you, but I don't want nobody to steal my titles. Let me say this real quick too. So, I did say recently that I noticed there are not a lot of beauty videos. I noticed also there are not a lot of lock videos out here. I'm doing some beauty videos anyway, and lock videos. My channel is basically about natural hair and beauty and stuff. Yeah. So I'm doing me some stuff like that. I got everything ready. Even my mind is almost ready, guys. It's almost ready. And as far as putting my camera on in my car, why am I scratching? I got a mosquito bite on my arm, I think. I have not put my camera up there yet. I've been doing this for the last 10 years, trying to figure out how to put my not really figure it out, just do it. Okay? I'm gonna do it. Why am I so foot dragging? But I'm ready to go in the house. Me and that boy ready to go in the house too. I said boy, he wagging his tail. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Have a good evening.